Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We are going to give you another Valentine's cocktail, and this one dates back to, in one form or another, back into the 30s. Went away for a real long time, but in the mid-90s, there was a bartender that working in a bar in Tribeca who decided he was going to revamp this cocktail. It became a celebrity cocktail, and that celebrity, by one name, Madonna. It wasn't until a few more years after that that the cocktail became mainstream famous, from Sex and the City, Carrie Bradshaw. So today we are drinking one more iteration of this cocktail. Dale Degroff made the recipe that we know and love today right around the turn of the century in 2000. So join me as we make the Cosmopolitan. Let's get pouring. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker, and we're going to have 4 simple ingredients in it. First off, we're using a lemon or a citron vodka. We're using Cointreau, an orange flavored liqueur. We're going to use some freshly squeezed lime juice and freshly unbottled cranberry juice. So, we'll start with the lime juice, and we are going to use in there a ½ ounce. Next off is going to be 1.5 ounces of that freshly unbottled cranberry juice, and believe it or not, in their recipes they used ocean spray cranberry. 1.5 ounces. Next in there is our vodka, and we are using the Belvedere lemon infused vodka. You can use this, you can use any lemon flavored vodka, Absolute Citron, and we are going to use 1.5 ounces. Last ingredient going in there is our orange liqueur, and that we're going to use 3/4 ounce. Once again, we're using Cointreau. We're going to ice this up. And give it a good shake. We're taking our chilled martini glass, and we're going to give this a nice pour. A lot of places at this point they're done, but what we like to do is we take a orange peel cut in the shape of a coin and just squeeze a little bit of more orange oil on there. Float that wheel on the top, and there you have today's cocktail, the Cosmopolitan. Fruity, fresh takes of a sour style cocktail. This one is a classic for a reason, folks. Happy Valentine's Day.